thing. Now, what about sorting? You notice we've got full name, starts with a C, starts with a B, starts with an A. Last names aren't in order. Registration dates aren't in order. What do we do when, we want to output something, somebody's searching for something, they don't want it all in some random order. They're looking for something specific. They need something to follow, and typically we search in numeric order, alphabetical order, or some sort of date order. How do we do that? Well, maybe we wanted to sort by, people's emails so that we can, send emails in the correct order and we don't accidentally end up with something out of order later on and, send the same thing to somebody twice, whatever. Having things ordered keeps things organized, obviously. So what if we wanted to order by email? Let's grab the email in this case, and we don't need an as because we already have an as, right? I output this. You can see I've got that. But now I just have to add in a clause right here after the from order by, right? And then I put in the field that I want to order by. Okay, so do order by email, and now you've got things in alphabetical order in this email column. Okay, and then maybe we want to look at our most recent registrations to our least recent. Well, let's output these guys here. All right, and actually I'm going to grab that reg date stuff we did just a moment ago. All right, so I'm formatting my registration date so that it's just a little bit more readable, right? So this is what we just had, but what we really want to do rather than sorting by name or email or anything is sort the registration date so that the person who signed up most recently is at the top, right? Well, how do we do that? If we put in ACK registration date as our sorting criteria, you'll see that we have January 20th, 2016 at the top and January 3rd, 2017 at the bottom, and we want it the other way around. So what we do is we pop in the keyword DESC in there. It means descending, right? When we don't put anything in there, it is ascending. It's just implied that it's ascending on most servers, right? But what we want is from newest to oldest, so we put it in descending order. Right? And descending, of course, on if you were to go in alphabetical order or on letters, would start from Z and work to A. If it was numbers, it would start from the highest number, work to the lowest number. That's how descending works. Dates sometimes can throw you off because you think of the most recent as something a smaller distance, but really the most recent is the highest distance from the starting point, right? So descending, it's the most recent date, but also the highest letter or the highest number.